Children, this is lecture 6.08, eighth lecture and slide number 26. Now, this is electrolysis of sodium chloride. Now, earlier you have seen the electrolysis of molten sodium chloride, where you will get sodium metal at cathode during reduction, and chlorine is getting oxidized to chlorine gas. Okay. Now, so this is what is molten electrolysis of molten sodium chloride, what I was telling all this time. Okay. Now, when you come to electrolysis of sodium chloride, that is aqueous sodium chloride, actually what will happen is due to the higher reduction potential of hydrogen, you will actually get hydrogen at cathode compared to sodium, because sodium is having negative SRP. It will not get reduced preference to hydrogen. Okay. Next slide, if you see, instead of water, chlorine will be oxidized, because oxidation potential of chlorine is more than water. Okay. Now, the point of discussion here is, if the sodium chloride solution is very dilute, if the sodium chloride solution is very dilute, then what will happen? It is water which is going to get oxidized. What is the reason for this statement, what I made? So that is the reason I introduced a concept video here. So this is something called exception. So always in chemistry, sometimes exceptions will come as questions, and it is our duty to learn the exceptions along with the concepts. Okay. Now, when this is so NaCl, this is a very dilute solution is electrolyzed. So in the PPT, you have seen that dilute solution is electrolyzed, or NaCl aqueous medium is concentrated or dilute solution. You will get the product mentioned in the PPT. But when it is very dilute, what happens? There is less chance. There is less chance of chloride ion to get oxidized, because of the fact that due to its less availability, instead of that, H2O gets oxidized. Although chlorine is having more oxidation potential than water. What is the reason for this? Now, if you take chlorine, so this is a electrolysis with NaCl solution with the inert electrodes. So you write the half equation for anode. 2Cl minus aqueous will give Cl2 gas plus 2 electrons. We write the Nernst equation for this half cell. So E cell, that is E chloride minus chlorine, is equal to E naught Cl minus chlorine minus 0.059 by N is 2 log gas means partial pressure of chlorine divided by concentration of chloride whole square. Now, if concentration of or otherwise, what you can do is, you can now from this relationship, what you can do, yes, you understand very clearly, when E chloride chlorine E cell will decrease when concentration of chloride ion decreases. Okay, because first of all, it is a negative sign here, and it is in the denominator with a negative sign. So therefore, Cl minus Cl2 directly proportional to concentration of chloride. So therefore, what I mean to say, in very dilute solution, due to very less availability of chlorine, oxidation of water is more favorable. So this kind of questions can come in the MCQs when it is a very dilute solution. So very dilute solution means 10 power minus 3, 10 power minus 5 molar. It is water which is getting oxidized. You will not get chlorine in the anode. Okay children, thank you.